words of appreciation and gratitude for those who helped and shaped us of who we are today. On behalf of my classmates, I want to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to the Board of Trustees, Administrator, Principal, and teachers of our beloved school, Sarmiento Baptist Learning Center, for providing us with a nurturing, safe, and comfortable environment where we could explore, discover, learn, and grow. Thank you also for giving us a very kind, patient, and caring teacher, Teacher Mary Ann, who also served as our second mother. Thank you, Teacher Mary Ann, for teaching us many things, for guiding and believing in our potential. Even when we were so naughty and playful, you never gave up on us, and still made learning so much fun and exciting that we will cherish forever. To our dear parents and guardians, thank you so much for not only providing us all the things we need, but most importantly, the love you showed to us. Especially to Mama Cherry and Papa Lloyd, that despite of their busy schedules, they still managed to find time in order to be with me, especially when there were activities. And to my Nanay Beth, who's been with me since I was in my mother's womb. Once again, thank you and we love you so much. To my classmates, thank you for being my friends. We played, learned, and had fun together as we embark on new adventures. We will carry the memories and lessons from our time in kindergarten. And I am very excited to learn more things in the next grade level. To everyone who is here today, thank you for celebrating with us. With a heart full of gratitude and a spirit filled with joy, I thank God for all the things He has done for us. As the first Chronicles 16 verse 34 states that, give thanks to the Lord, for He is good. His love endures forever. Congratulations, computers! We did it! Once again, thank you and good morning. This has been Lady